Hello everybody, here is all the material for your second week of classes while the school is closed. Please remember you can put subtitles on this video to help you understand better. Now, look at the photo. Maybe you recognize these ladies from a film. Read the text. Answer the question. Who do you think is the boss? Pause the video to read the text. Yes, the boss is this lady. This is the actress Meryl Streep. Now you are going to hear a conversation at the party. Listen to the conversation and answer the 4 questions, true or false. Stop the video to read all the phrases. Then play to hear the conversation. Here is the conversation.
Who's that?
Anna Crawley.
Does she work for our magazine?
No, she doesn't. She works for Armani.
Okay. Ah, hello, Anna. Mwah, mwah. How are you?
I'm fine. Great to see you, Alice. Nice party.
Thanks. And who's that man over there?
Andrew York. He's a journalist.
Where does he work?
He works for Hello magazine.
Hi, Andrew. Mwah, mwah. Nice to see you here.
Hello, Alice. Beautiful dress.
Thank you. And is this your wife?
No, Kim's a friend.
He doesn't have a wife. He's divorced.
Did you decide? You can check your answers now, reading this text and listening again. Listen again.
2.52. Who's that?
Anna Crawley.
Does she work for our magazine?
No, she doesn't. She works for Armani.
Okay. Ah, hello, Anna. Mwah, mwah. How are you?
I'm fine. Great to see you, Alice. Nice party.
Thanks. And who's that man over there?
Andrew York. He's a journalist.
Where does he work?
He works for Hello magazine.
Hi, Andrew. Mwah, mwah. Nice to see you here.
Hello, Alice. Beautiful dress.
Thank you. And is this your wife?
No, Kim's a friend.
He doesn't have a wife. He's divorced.
Okay, let's check the answers. So number 1, false. Anna Crawley works for Armani. Number 2 is true. Andrew York is a journalist. Number 3 is false. He works for Hello magazine. And number 4 is false. Kim is Andrew's friend. Now, look at this text again and complete the chart. What word goes here? Here, I work for Hello Magazine, but he for Hello Magazine. We have positive, negative, question, negative, answer, and a question with a wh word. For example, where, what, when, who. Okay, pause the video to complete the table. Okay, here are the answers. Remember, positive, he works at Hello Magazine. We put an S. Negative, he doesn't have a wife. The S is here in doesn't, not here. In the negative, he doesn't have a wife. For questions, does she work for our magazine? Negative answer, no, she doesn't. And a question with a question word, where does he work? Now, you can read these rules. Each time you have positive, negative, question, positive answer, negative answer. I work. You don't work. Does he work? Yes, she does. No, it doesn't, etc. They change down the list. Please study this. And remember the spelling rules. Normally, we just put S. I work, he works. Sometimes ES. I watch, she watches. This is for words ending in ch, sh, s, or x. And remember, final Y after a consonant changes to I. I study, he studies. Now some practice. Please take note of the answers in your notepad as you complete these two exercises. First, you have I live in a flat. It changes to she lives in a flat. Number 1, they read magazines. You change for only one person. He magazines. Please write your answers in your pad to send me a photo. In the second exercise, please look at the verbs, sometimes negative, not live, and put in the correct. They don't live near here. Pause the video and complete the exercise. Note your answers, photo them for me, and I shall correct them. Now some pronunciation. The final S has 3 sounds, sometimes like Z, like a zebra, S for snake, or Z, For example, Z for zebra, has. Repeat, has. Lives, listens, reads, does, doesn't. S, works, likes, speaks, eats, drinks. And is, finishes, watches, teaches. Rewind and repeat with me as I say. Now, let's look at some jobs. Can you say the jobs with me? Teacher, doctor, a nurse, a journalist, a waiter, or for a woman, a waitress, a shop assistant, a receptionist, a policeman, a policewoman, a factory worker, a taxi driver. Do you know all these words? Rewind and repeat with me. Some useful phrases. Listen and repeat. I work for Google. I work for ALS Dundalk. I'm at school. I'm a student. I'm at university. I study economics. I'm unemployed at the moment. I'm retired. I finished working for my life. Retired. What do you do? This question means, what is your job? What do you do? Now, where do these people work? In a hospital, in a shop, in a restaurant, in an office, in a school, in a factory, at home, in the street. Now, some reading. Please read the texts and decide. What jobs? You read about Marcos and Charlotte. You put the job you think they do here for Marcos, here for Charlotte. Take notes of your answer. Read again and answer the questions. Here are the questions. Okay. This is the end of the first video.